Healthy birds, healthy nation. Healthy birds, organic foods. Healthy birds are here. Teach me how to fish. Don't give me fish. You too can be a self-made billionaire. You can also start up your farm today. Start up your poultry. Continue to subscribe, like, share, and watch the process on how you too can start up your own poultry farm. Healthy birds, healthy nation. Healthy birds, self-made billionaires. I want you to know that this week is going to be a blessed week for us. May the good Lord bless the work of our hand and bless us with increase, 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 increase in all we do. Thank you. Love you. God bless you.